$5 off $25 or more. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Let's go save some coins today by couponing. First, let's go get some gas. It's $5 off $25 or more. So let's talk about these deals. I came in here to get 4 different deals. The deal right here is the 2 Sparkle 6-count towels, the Caress soap, the Colgate Optic White Febreze Small Spaces, and the Chic Extreme razors. This should come out to be $8 to $10. And this deal was a fail due to the simple fact that the 2 Sparkle paper towels 6-count ended up being $13.90. The Caress bar did not end up coming off as well, but the Febreze Small Space did. The Colgate did as well, but the razors did not. So this ticket, I ended up spending about $20.11 because of the simple fact that it did not take off for the Caress bar, the the paper towels, or the razors. So that was a flop. All right, so number 2, I ended up doing the 2 Airwick oil refills, the razors, and then a Colgate Stain Fighter toothpaste, as well as some Chic razors and 3 Mr. Clean multi-purpose cleaners. That was supposed to bring me to $6 to $8. It ended up coming up to $12.69 when I was done because the razors were not correct. So that is what threw me off by maybe $4. So I ended up taking the razors back later that afternoon, but the deal was really good because the rest of the stuff came off. Make sure that your coupons are coming off when you're entering your phone number and paying. All right, so my third time I went and got the CoverGirl powder, CoverGirl brow pencil, Vaseline lip, Dove deodorant, Extreme razors, and a Degree deodorant. That deal did not work either. So when you have a deal such as this one right here, and it's supposed to bring you out to $5.65, and there's like one thing that's going to throw you off, or they don't have it, make sure that you put yourself in a good surrounding to find something else that's going to equal up to that amount. Or be sure to find a different coupon to use as well that you know that's still in your account. Never Debbie Down yourself and say I can't do this deal, just substitute, or just I guess don't do it at all. If it's just, you know, it's totally up to your comfort zone. Load up the car. Alright, so here's the loaded car. Alright, so I'm back in the car, and so one thing I want to say is that couponing is definitely hard, especially when you want to catch the deals. I did go in the first time, and then I ended up coming out to the car the second time, and the second time definitely I had more because I just went ahead and did everything all at one time. So I'm going to break it down to you guys once I get home and able to lay out all of the things to show you all what I got, how much it actually costs. It seems like prices are going up in Family Dollar as well. So sometimes following the like recommended buys for the you know, the Saturdays where they have the $5 off 25 deals, sometimes you need to follow them, sometimes don't, and just go with your own type of deal. So join me when I get home. So this was just a haul of my first couponing trip. This was when I got the Gain Fireworks, the 2 Oxy Clean Body Arm & Hammer, and then the Caress, and then the Colgate and the Gain Flings, the 2 Ivory Soap Bars, a Degree, and a Dove deodorant. So let me show you guys the deals that I've done, if they've worked, if they, didn't work, if they were a fail. So yeah, let me get ready to show you guys that in case you guys are starting to want to do couponing. Maybe not, maybe so. Definitely give it a try and see how it goes. And once you start, you're not going to want to stop. Okay, so just to show you guys some of the deals that can go wrong, some of the ones that did well, and some of the ones that kind of like had to be altered are right here. So on the screen here, you can see that I ended up getting these 2 Airwick, the Colgate Optic White, and the Bic Smooth, the Caress, and the Tide. The coupon over on the right is to show you what I was supposed to get. So since I really wanted the Caress, I added that on. And that was only like $2. I needed something extra to add on just to make it, bring it to what it was. So the Airwicks were $5.75 a piece. It was supposed to bring it down to $7.75. This deal actually did go off. It was not an epic fail. It was just a one thing fail. These were not the correct razors. As you can see on the receipt here, if you have a coupon, it's going to say MFG underneath of it, and it's going to say Smart Coupon. The Bic Simply Solio 3-blade 3-pack did not come off, so that was $4.10 that added on to my total. Remind you, this was supposed to be $7.75. It was not. So sometimes it's okay to just alternate, and of course adding the Caress on gave me or made me pay $1.95, so that wasn't bad. The deal that I want to talk about that sometimes a lot of people just coupon because they have the coupons. This is one of those times where here it is, you have all of these items. All of these items were a total of $55. So you have your Oxy Tide Simply pods, you have your Bounce dryer sheets, you have your CoverGirl powder, your CoverGirl makeup, you have your deodorant in Degree and Dove, 2 things of Colgate toothpaste, as well as 3 Mr. Cleans, and then I have these 9-element cleaning trio, which is the foaming dish soap, the actual bathroom cleaner, and then the multi-surface cleaner. So those each had a coupon for $5 off. I think that they really want people to give those a shot. And I also have the Febreze Ocean, the Gain Fireworks, the Caress, the Dove, and the Arm & Hammer detergent. So like I said, all of these items came up to $55. I did add on like $2.30 worth of 2 cups. So that was also another thing. So here's a deal that went very well. Everything came off on the receipt except for the razors. I got the wrong razors, but it was still a good amount. The razors were $4.10. So if I wouldn't have gotten those, I roughly would have paid anywhere between $9 and $11. But I did end up taking the razors back just to get a better deal. I also wanted to show you guys this last deal. The last deal is 2 dial hand soaps, Gain fabric softener, Gain flings in a 42 count, and Gain flings in a 14 count. This total came up to $11.85. Everything that you see on here had a coupon with it, and it definitely came down to a good price. So $11.85 for these 5 items is a plus, because definitely would have ended up spending probably maybe $10 to $15 more if I hadn't. So I would like to thank you guys so much for watching my couponing video. Be sure to comment down below if you would like to see more. Also comment down below if you are a couponer and what is it that you go get the most of, and where do you coupon at? I have only been doing Family Dollar and Kroger, but I'm definitely thinking outside the box to do CVS and maybe Rite Aid.